大家好，我是 Dr. Lo。现在 we will continue with the 汉字。Okay, for the 华语3。So now we are on the 22，请坐。Okay, recognize the 坐。You will see 2 small people here. So this representing people. And then this part, it is like benches. Okay, place for sitting. So people are sitting. And then this part, okay, 2 arrows here, it is like your hand. You say, sila, qing, okay? When you see this character, this is a please, okay? 请坐, please have a seat, okay? And then 23 should be no problem because you see 2 people, and then this is a sitting, and the che, remember you've learned earlier that you bring it down, it becomes a car. So 坐车. So what is 坐车? Do you remember? Night kereta. Okay, so what is the difference between 坐车 and the next 开车? Okay, this we of course will test you in the test. Okay, so you need to know 坐车 is night kereta, means that you are not driving. Okay, somebody drives you to somewhere. And then, all right, this part 开车. You see this is the first character like a steering, the steering of the car. So means that you are like driving. So 24 means that you yourself, you are driving. 开车. Okay, so in exam, if we say memandu kereta, which one to choose? Up or down? Up or down, students? Driving. Down. Okay, all right. Let us proceed. Okay, so come to this. Now, do you recognize this is the radical of both again, right now? 对吗? Radical of both? Yes?
对，老师。
Okay, so here, this you don't say welcome, but you have to remember like you have traveled to somewhere with this boat. You have done something with this boat. Okay, because this part, this is 过. 过 means here is pernah. You have done something before. So, okay, let Lao Shi explain first. The first one is 去. You have learned this in level 1. 去. How to know this is 去? Here, this part, you see the red arrow. It is like showing you to go this way. Okay, you walk this way and then ask you to go this way. The arrow asks you to. So this is go. So go in Mandarin is 去. 去. And the second one is 过. 去过 means that pernah pergi. You have been there. For example, 老师 say, 我去过中国. 老师 pernah pergi China. I've been to China. Okay. Now you go number 26 first. Okay. Again, this is 过. Means that you have done before. You have done this before. Okay. And the first character, see, 老师 circle the three strokes. Okay. The 3 strokes. Actually, this one, okay, you enlarge it. It looks like 2 hands and 1 book. So when you have 2 hands and you're holding a book, what does it mean? When your papa, mama, okay, saw your 2 hands are holding a book, then they will say, oh, you are learning or you are studying. 对吗? Right? So what is the learning and studying in Mandarin? What is that? 学. So remember when you see 2 hands and 1 book. So this is 学. 学过. Pernah belajar. Okay. What else? Compare these 2. Okay. 27. The 2 red part. This is like mari. Lai. When you say lai, you show this way. So this is lai. Come. Okay. 来过. Pernah datang. You came before. All right. So students, here, the phrases with 过, you learn 3. See? Can recognize? If Lao Shi say, now the question is, pernah datang. Okay, which number? Pernah datang. Which one?
27.
27. Why you know? How do you know? Because ada lai. Isn't it?
Come.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So we proceed. Come to the next. Okay. I should make this smaller a bit. You see the mouth. Okay, so the first one, okay, the mouth is covered by something. When you are eating, do you want to cover your mouth? Do not want, right? But if 老师 or some or Papa Mama ask you to go and ask something, you know, so many people, they feel so shy to ask. Are you one of them? 老师的 experience, okay, too many people, they feel embarrassed to ask. Why? See, their mouth is covered, so they cannot ask. Okay, 老师 always say 老师的先生. Okay, or maybe 老师 say boys. Majority of the boys do not like to ask things. Okay, so if let's say 老师 say here this is 问路, tanyakan jalan, tanya direction. Okay, sometimes we get lost or what. Okay, let's say, and then the GPS or I mean our you know, we cannot get the direction, the help from our handphone, so we need to ask people. All right, but for a boy, they feel so difficult to ask. They will say no, 不要 just try, see, try first, you know. Okay, maybe this is a way of the different attitude, like to challenge yourself. But to 老师, why not? Just ask, nothing difficult. So to 老师问 this one, 老师 seldom have problem to ask. 老师 remember when I was in a standard 1, okay, 老师 saw something which is not right. 老师 went into the headmaster's room and to ask and to tell. So, okay, that is maybe 老师 only likes to do that. Okay, but you remember when there is a mouth, but it is covered, so this is asking. 问. Okay, ask for what? You don't ask for money, but now you ask for direction. So here, the second one is 路. The 路, how do you know? You see, there are another two mouth. Actually, it's mouth. Okay. But here you can imagine as two roundabout. And then the cross part is like a junction. So what 老师 mean? This is the setting of road. Setting of road. So you are asking for bertanyakan jalan. Okay. 好的, 29. If you know already these two roundabout and then the junction, so this is on the road. And then you see, it is like somebody is walking. So this is 走路, walking. Okay, 老师 hope you can recognize these two. All right, let's come to this one. Okay, so you remember we have learned this 公 earlier with the 公斤 earlier, kilogram, 公斤. So with this 公, okay. And then, but here, this is a kilometer, 公里. So this character, actually the original meaning means place. You see now, dia macam look like a place. Macam ada 4 rooms. Okay, and then here is a front gate. Okay, so this is a place. So 公里 relates to place because you want to know how many kilometers you travel. Earlier, the 公斤 relate with the scale. Okay, how? So 31, you see the mouth again. So you know that actually this is asking. Either you want to say asking or eating. With the mouth, it can be asking, can be eating, can be drinking, can be speaking. There are a few meanings. But here, which one will you say? Do you think it's eating, drinking? What do you think? You see the second character? If the second character shows you this is a place, so what do you think? What is the first? The mouth is asking, or you think it's drinking or eating or speaking?
Asking.
So asking for what? You ask Nali. Where is the place? Nali. Okay. 好的，老师 will continue a little bit more because this is they are from the same group. So you know already this Nali. You need to differentiate the 在 and the 去. 去 you already know. 老师 already told you. Okay. When the arrow from here, you go there. So this is go. So 去哪里? Kemana? Okay, where are you going? But the other one, this is like a bungalow. A bungalow, a big house with the 4 big rooms. Okay, and then you see all these circles. They are like rooms. Okay, upstairs you have a bedroom, you have living room, kitchen. Okay, and the full house is air conditioned, let's say. So do you like to be at the house? If you are, you will say 在. 在 means you are there. 不在, not there. Okay, so remember with the bungalow, this is 在. Bungalow and all fully conditioned, air conditioned. Of course, I want to stay at home. So everybody is at home. 在哪里? Okay, 好的。梅老师 get 来 one person. Anyone volunteer? 快快. Okay, number 10. Number 10, can you tell 老师 about this? What is this? What does it mean? Okay, 来.
Number 29.
28 first.
Oh, 28. Okay, Wen Lu. Tanyakan jalan.
Okay.
Okay. There is mount, and it's been blockade. Okay. Or it mean asking.
Difficult to ask actually.
Difficult. The embarrassing.
Okay, embarrassing to ask, but still need to ask lah. But it's so difficult lah. Okay, it shows that. Okay, how? Then?
Okay. In the second character, there is 2 mount like a roundabout, and there is 2 stroke X like junction. So it means jalan.
Okay, or road setting. Okay, 好. Okay, 很好. So how about 29?
Okay, for the 29 in the first character, there is like walking in the below stroke, in the 2 stroke like walking.
Yes. Okay, so what's that? So what the whole thing is?
Solo, berjalan kaki.
Yeah, 走路. Okay, 好的. So 很好, 谢谢你. So students, this is a round 1. You learn this. 老师 is giving all the tips for you to remember them. In the week 10, 老师 will get everyone to do 1 time. Okay, and that time 老师 will not give anything. Will not give any red mark, green marks, will not give the pin in, will not give the explanation, nothing, just plain. And you need to tell me, how do you see? Okay, so all the teaching videos that 老师 will be done today. Okay, you don't have to rush to finish it by this week. Okay, but you can slowly, you can take your time, and then the latest is on the week 10. Before the week 10, you need to finish all the teaching videos, okay? And then on the week 10, 老师 will test you on this. All right. Okay, 好的. Okay, so here, all right, 老师 assume, I think many of you are really concentrating. You have learned many things, so 老师 can just okay, stop for this set. Okay,